Feeling with words, understanding tactile imagery. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of imagery, specifically, tactile imagery. This is a powerful technique that can make your English conversations rich and vivid. So, let's get started. Tactile imagery, in essence, refers to descriptions that relate to the sense of touch. It's all about helping your listener feel the texture, temperature, or physical sensation you're trying to describe. These descriptions can make your conversations and narratives more immersive and engaging. Consider the following example. Her hands were as cold as ice, her fingers rigid and unyielding. The above sentence invokes a sense of touch and temperature, giving the listener a more vivid mental image of the scenario. The use of tactile imagery often involves descriptive adjectives, specific nouns, and well-chosen verbs. The trick is to think about how the object or person you're describing feels to the touch. For example, if you're describing a warm summer day, instead of just saying, "It was a hot day," you could use tactile imagery to enhance this description. The sun's rays warmed the skin, giving the sensation of being lightly toasted by a giant cosmic oven. This makes the listener almost feel the warmth of the sun on their skin, creating a more vibrant and interesting conversation. Let's look at a few more examples of tactile imagery to further illustrate its use. 1. The rough bark of the tree scraped against my back as I leaned against it. 2. The silk dress felt smooth and cool against her skin. 3. His handshake was firm, almost painfully so. Remember, the goal here is to create a sensory experience for the listener or reader, allowing them to touch what you're describing in their imagination. Now it's your turn. Try to create your own sentences using tactile imagery. Think of an experience where touch was particularly notable and try to describe it. Practice makes perfect, and the more you use tactile imagery, the more natural it will become. That's it for today's lesson on tactile imagery. Remember, this technique can greatly enhance your English conversations, making them more descriptive and engaging. Practice using tactile imagery in your day-to-day conversations. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.